In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up templates on Sendgrid. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to create a dynamic email template, design it using the editor, preview it to confirm everything looks right, and then save it for use in your email sending workflows. First, sign in to Sendgrid. When you log in, make sure you are landing in the main dashboard so you can easily find the options for email and templates. Take a moment to confirm you have access to the settings and tools you need, since template creation depends on your permissions. Next, select Email API. This is the section where Sendgrid provides tools related to sending and managing email content through its API features. Once you click into Email API, look for the part of the interface that mentions templates, since that is where the dynamic template creation begins. Then select Dynamic Templates. Dynamic templates allow you to build email content that can change based on data you pass in later. This step matters because it is the foundation for reusable, customizable emails, especially when you send different content to different recipients using the same template structure. After that, select Create a Dynamic Template. You should now see a setup form that asks for basic information about your new template. This is where you define the identity of your template so it can be referenced later in your sending logic. Now enter your template name. Choose a clear name that helps you recognize what the template is for, such as a specific notification type or purpose. Once you have typed the name into the appropriate field, select Create. This will generate the template entry and move you forward to the next stage, where you add content and layout. Next, select Add Version. Template versions help you manage updates over time, without losing structure. When you select Add Version, Sendgrid will prompt you to choose the base template content that will be used as your starting point. Choose a template. This selection gives you the initial design structure you will customize. Take a moment to review the available options and pick one that matches the email style you want to deliver, since the design editor will build on what you choose here. Then choose Design Editor. The design editor is where you will visually construct the email experience. Select it so you can start adding sections and fine-tuning the layout with a direct editing interface. Now, add and customize your email sections, images, text, and buttons. As you edit, focus on the important parts of the email, the header area, the body text, and any call to action buttons. Add images where they help support the message and ensure the text is readable and aligned with the purpose of the email. Also, when you add buttons, make sure they are styled and placed clearly so recipients can easily understand what action to take. After you have made your changes, preview your email design. This step is important because it helps you confirm that spacing, alignment, and overall layout look correct before you finalize the template. Look closely at how it appears in the preview to ensure the sections are in the right order and that the text and buttons are displayed as intended. Finally, select Save Template. Saving confirms that your dynamic template version is stored and ready for use. Once saved, you can return later to update content by creating a new version if needed, which keeps your template management organized. And that covers everything you need to know. You now have a dynamic email template in Sendgrid, complete with a customized design, a preview check, and a saved version ready for sending.